Welcome everybody. I'm going to do a bloom today. I'm going to show you some ingredients. Not again, but today I'm doing a couple of different retakes. There's my base, my pillow, I call it. The Easy Flow Interior Latex Paint Eggshell. Just white latex paint. I get that from Canadian Tire in Canada. But I'm sure I've used Glidden, same kind of paint, but Glidden, and it's good too. So for my pouring medium, this is my pouring medium. Behr Interior High Gloss Enamel Deep Base. Has to say deep base here. And it's untinted. Don't get it tinted with anything, just plain off the shelf. This is a PolyAcrylic that I mix with it. So I mix it three untinted paint to one PolyAcrylic. You can also use this Behr also. It's pretty much the same as the PolyAcrylic. You can try different high gloss varnishes, or actually, what does it say on here? Clear, and this clear gloss one. I've been working down here for a few hours, experimenting with different colors, different densities, trying to get it right, and I will. Sometimes even when you blow it out and they don't have any cells, they really look like a nice design. I like some of them without the cells. Anyway, everybody likes cells, so we'll see how this goes. This is my Easy Flow acrylic paint, just white house paint. I'll put everything in the description this time. Let's put a little bit here. I'm just feathering it out a bit, just to help it all along. So I'm going to use some ultramarine blue, so pretty, first. You want this paint a little bit thinner than your pillow paint. I'm going to use I have a few greens in here. It's a sap green, and then I have a light green. I mixed a couple of greens together. And I think I even put some green ink in there. And this is quinacridone magenta. I like this color. It's Basics, the Cortex Basics. got my cell maker for the top, and it's a white Amsterdam and pink Amsterdam together with water and some ink, a little bit ink. I think I was making it too thin before, so I thickened it up a little bit more. I have a hard time blowing with my breath. I never seem to aim it right. I'll try it again. There. That was better. That was way better. Wow. I think my paint is better that it's a little thicker. Pink didn't go over that, so I got one big cell right in the middle. Okay, I'm just gonna blow this out a bit. Let's see how many cells I can keep. I'll just let this. I think that was the hardest part for me, is getting the cell maker to the right consistency. Okay, I'm going to come back this way. Oh, I love that ultramarine blue also, and that magenta. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Come back to the middle. I'm going to go this way, get this down. It's almost there now. This has got a beveled edge on it, so it's... All right. See if I can get it to go down the other way. See, this time they're holding the cells. The cells are staying where they should be. Come on, just a little more. Well, I don't think this is going to go down anymore. Maybe I'll just leave it to where it is. Give it a good shake there. I'll move it back now. There. Well, I think that's about as far as I'm going to get with this one. But I think it's pretty. I love it. Finally, I got us a really good cell one where the cells pretty much stayed. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Come back soon to my art room and see what goes on again. Bye-bye.